Deepseek is a very popular AI, and I'm sure it's going to be making the rounds soon. If you want to give it a try, let me walk you through exactly how to use it. It's another AI assistant, but this one is gaining a lot of attention. To get started, head over to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Deepseek AI. You should see this app pop up. It's powered by the Deepseek V version 3 model, so it's quite similar to ChatGPT. It even has a UI that looks like a mix of ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Go ahead and download the app. Once it's installed, you'll be asked to log in via your Google account, Apple ID, or another sign-in method if you'd like to create a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main interface. It looks very similar to ChatGPT. In the top left corner, you'll see these two lines, which show your previous conversations. You can scroll through them to review past chats. In the top right, there's a plus button. Tap that if you want to start a new chat, and in the bottom section of the screen, you can begin typing your questions. For example, you can ask something simple like, "How many planets are there in the solar system?" Then, send the question and wait for the response. From my experience, Deepseek seems to respond faster than ChatGPT, which is a nice touch. You can keep chatting with it, or if you prefer, start a new conversation by clicking on the new chat button at the bottom. Deepseek also has a premium option called Deepseek R1, which works much like Chat's paid version, offering more advanced features. You can also search the web with this AI. For example, if I ask for the current stock price of a certain company, it will search the web for real-time results. While the response time for web searches is a little slower compared to standard AI responses, it's still a pretty cool feature. To enable web searches, just turn on the Google Web Search option, and Deepseek will start looking up the information you need. While searching, it will let you know when it's gathering results. Another cool feature is that you can upload files to the AI, though this function may not work during web searches. You can upload images and other files through the plus button at the bottom. If you want to manage your profile or delete any chats, just click on the bottom to access your settings. From there, you can delete your account or manage your chats. And that's how you use Deepseek AI. It works just like any other AI assistant. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.